Oops. Sarah is watching a parade from a 20-foot balcony. So here's our balcony. Here's Sarah. And she's watching our parade. I don't know how to draw parades, so I'm just going to write the word parade. So she's looking down at her parade. So that's her line of sight. And then remember, we always need a horizontal line. So here's our angle of depression. And it says that her balcony is 20 feet tall. So here's the ground. So her balcony is 20 feet off the ground. So this is a rectangle, so I can just slide that 20 over. So her balcony is 20 feet off the ground. And it says, what is the keyword alert horizontal distance between Sarah and the parade? Horizontal means side to side, like this. So we are looking for that horizontal distance. So if my angle is 47 degrees, this is my opposite side, this is my adjacent side, and so I'm going to use tangent of 47 is equal to opposite 20 over adjacent. Then I'm going to multiply both sides by x to get that x out of my denominator. So I have x times tangent of 47 equals 20. Then I'm trying to solve for x, so I gotta get rid of that tangent of 47. So I'm going to divide both sides by tangent of 47. And so x is, making sure my calculator is in degree mode, or else I'm going to get a really bizarre answer. X is 18.65, so 18.7 feet. So Sarah is 18.7 feet horizontally from the parade. So this distance right here is 18.7 feet. Okay, our next one. A person snorkeling sees a treasure chest on the ocean floor. Okay, so here's the top of the water. And here is the ocean floor. And here's our treasure chest. Here are our monies. And so we have this person snorkeling. They're on the surface. So when you snorkel, you are like on the surface, so that way your little circle can get the air up there. So this person sees the treasure chest down below them. So there's our line of sight. We also have to have our horizontal line, and here's our right triangle. So here's our angle of depression of 38 degrees. So that person is looking down at the treasure chest below them. And our snorkeler is 14 feet above the ocean floor. So this is 14 over here. And then we are trying to figure out how far from the treasure chest is she. So pay close attention. This does not say what's the horizontal distance. It says how far from the treasure chest is she. So here's our snorkeler. The distance from the snorkeler to the treasure chest is this diagonal line, because it's the distance between 2 points is a straight line. So this is the distance from the snorkeler to the treasure chest. So how far from the treasure chest is she? We're asking for this hypotenuse. So if my angle is 38 degrees, this side is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. And so I'm going to use sine. So sine of 38 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so 14 over x. I'm going to multiply both sides by x. X times sine of 38 is equal to 14. Then I'm going to divide off sine of 38. And so that will give me 14 divided by sine of 38, making sure that your calculator is in degree mode, or else you're going to get really weird answers. You're going to get 22.73, so 22.7, but it says round to the nearest foot, which means to the nearest whole number, and so that 7.7 will bump us up to 23. So rounded to the nearest foot. foot is 23 feet. So our snorkeler is 23 feet away from the treasure chest.